Hi. I almost forgot to do a video, so I do it now. Um, Challenge for this week for the next 3 days, okay, is to make a video for your favorite song, which you have right now. I'll do mine on Saturday. Hannah will do hers tomorrow. Sam hopefully will do hers on Friday. I know we talk really quiet. I don't care. I'm not getting sick again, it just sounds like that. School started. I like my classes. I'm not really wanting to talk today. So I just leave it by saying challenge. I do Hannah's challenge whenever I can. I do Sam's challenge whenever I know what her challenge is. And yeah.